Alright, hey, I'm Dave. I'm going to show you the inside of this Platinum, show you how everything works. Come on in.
Alright.
Okay, you got a happy jack bed, a half jack. It's a, if you pull it up, lay it down, your bed's going to come out and fall. Just pull it out, lay it down. Pretty simple. Then you'll fold it back up, lift it up, lay it down, just stand it right up. Then you got your stove. On these stoves here, it's a gray stone, so you're going to turn it on, it'll light. It's an automatic lighter. If you push it in, it automatically lights. Get little lights on the decorative buttons on there. You got a Bluetooth stereo speaker, hooks up to your phone. Get your fan, your light, microwave. It's going to be just like you use at your house. Okay, you have an on-demand hot water system. So when you push the button, it's on, but it doesn't work until you actually break the valve. So when you break the valve, you're going to see these three things light up. When it lights, you'll see a little flame. So now you have hot water in about 30 seconds. So the water's pretty hot right now. So it'll go up to 124. Then you have cold, and it'll actually shut back off. But the water's still running. You can turn this on and off as you need, but you can leave it on, and it won't turn on until you actually break the hot water valve. Okay, then you got your furnace. Your furnace is gas air. You're just going to turn it to what you want. The fan will kick on. It'll automatically light by itself. Nothing you have to do. So if it gets too hot, just turn it off. So when it clicks, it's off. You have a 12-volt refrigerator. This is a Magic Chef. You can open the doors either way. So say if your kids want to sneak some food out of the back of it. You got your breaker box down here. You got your fuses. You got 4 breakers. So you got a bunkhouse. You got a little bit of light. If it doesn't go over the switch, there's a push button. And you got your small bathroom. You want to go in there. It's going to work the same. You got storage underneath the thing here. And when you lay this table down, you're just going to take it out of the rack here. So after you take the table out, you take your cushions. You only need a couple of them to cover it up. So you can make a bed, and then you'll just put them all back together. They just slide right in here and Velcro to the wall. And then you can put your table back the way it was. So you got a little bit of storage. I mean, you got above the bed, beside the bed, in here. You have a solar panel. So this is telling you you've got 13.6 coming in. So it just lets you know what's going on with that. You have a propane carbon monoxide detector right here. That little green light lets you know it's on, but if you run a Swiffer by here, it will go off. It smells propane. It's closer to the ground because propane's heavier in air. So they say replace those every 5 years. I say replace them every 3 because when you're walking here, it's so low, all the dust collects in there. It's just a good idea to keep that in your camper. So, other than that, make sure these are locked. And then you got your push buttons here, let you know if your battery's full. You got your fresh water in 3rd, black's empty, gray's empty. So don't dump anything until it's at least 2/3 full because it's a gravity thing. So this is for your awning, and this is for your slide. Well, yep, that's the awning. And this is the slide. You just push the button, run the slide all the way in. turn your lights off and you're ready to go.